Hi, Terry Kirkham from globalauctioneers.com. Our next major insolvency online auction sale for March 2025 comes from Mackay in Queensland. Under instructions from Mr. Francis O'Neill and Mr. David Stimson of SV Partners, we are instructed to realise the assets of Steel Central Pty Ltd, administrators appointed. Featuring in this major online auction sale, we have a 2023 model installed 2024 HG Farley True Edge 4 CNC drilling and profile cutting machine. Fitted with 2 large extraction units, this model has also been upgraded. We have a 2009 HG Farley Laser Lab Magician True Edge 2 plasma cutting machine. This machine was upgraded in 2020 to give it the more modern performance. We have a 2009 HG Farley Laser Lab model Triton Oxy profile cutting machine. We have a 2021 Darby MCB model Q30 4-roll steel plate rolling machine in as new condition. This machine has only been used for a couple of jobs. We have a 2020 D&E D-Saw 1530 laser fibre laser cutting machine. We have a steel frame gantry overhead crane system. We have a Voortman model 613 beam saw with accessory roller feed and exchange tables. We have a 2010 Behringer miter bandsaw and roller feed tables. We have a 2003 Isuzu FTR 900 Tray Truck. We have a 2008 Nissan 45 4.5 tonne forklift. We have a 2012 Mitsubishi Triton GLX 4x4 dual cab utility. We have a Blitzer plate beveling machine. We have 6 engineered, designed and certified heavy duty steel plate stock racks. We also have a range of lifting equipment. The online auction sale also features a large quantity of steel stock. This includes various thicknesses and sizes of complete and part sheets of steel plate stock, a quantity of steel tube and pipe, various types of assorted steel lengths. The online auction sale will be online in early March at globalauctioneers.com. The online auction sale will conclude in mid-March. To book an on-site inspection, to come to Mackay to inspect the plant and equipment here in this online auction sale, please contact us directly at globalauctioneers.com. Further information, please contact myself, Terry Kirkham, terry@globalauctioneers.com.